Hello from Slovenia again. I have my spinning table ready here, but I will do a ring pour and spin it. So let's layer our paints. I will start with yellow, and this was Indian yellow and cadmium orange, and I will add some of this iridescent orange yellow and some carmine red and magenta, permanent magenta, and I have, this is cobalt violet. I think that I will add a little of this gold here in between, and permanent blue violet, maybe a touch of white, and this is iridescent blue-green that I have a little left in some cups that I want to use them. Okay, and I will add this Prussian phthalo blue next, and some of phthalo turquoise, and some mint to brighten it up a little bit. And this is phthalo blue. I think that it's Winsor and Newton and manganese blue. And I will throw some gold here. And this is, this name is so weird, Indentrine blue. Oops, sorry, I was just at the end. And I will pinch this on this side and do a ring pour, and we will see what will happen. Whoop. have to catch the drip. Okay. And I don't mind if I will go a little to one side, because I don't want this quite centered. And I will pour a little of this purple around here. Because this is 3D canvas and I want paint to flow over. So let's see what will happen. Sorry. Just checking my sides. They are pretty much covered. Just missing some paint here. So I will just grab some paint and try to maybe just one more spin. I will leave it now. I will just turn this the way that I like it the most. checking my sides again. And I will not torch it, I will leave this to pop air bubbles themselves. They will pop. So I will get some shimmer, I can see, because I use this iridescent blue-green, and this will be kind of bright orange yellow, and I just want to push a little more of this off, I don't know, or I will leave it. So let me take you for a close-up. So as you can see, the edges are nice too. They are all covered. Sorry for the glare. And lines are sharp, and I did get some little cells, but not too much. See, this will be gold. So I'm pretty happy with this one. I like to do ring pours, so I will probably do some more on the spinning table, but next time I will have to put it in level it, because it's okay to have this here not center in the center, but still I think that I would have more control if I level this completely. So this is it for today. Subscribe if you didn't yet, leave a comment, share on your social media, and see you on the next one. Bye.